In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic fulfillment in Printful. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First off, you'll want to open Printful and sign into your account. If you already have the app installed on your device, go ahead and launch it. Otherwise, you can visit the Printful website to get started. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Printful dashboard, which is your command center for all things related to your printing and fulfillment needs. Now, let's move on to an essential step, which is selecting your store. On your dashboard, look for the Stores section. This is where Printful connects to your online shops, be it Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or any other supported platform. Click on Desalike, Chalk, Stores, and from there, you will see a list of the stores you have connected to Printful. Select the store for which you want to set up automatic fulfillment. If you only have one store, that's easy. Just click on it. After selecting your store, ensure that all your products are synced with Printful. It's crucial that your product listings are correctly set up so that orders can be fulfilled seamlessly. If everything looks good in terms of product listings and inventory levels, you're on the right track. Next, you'll want to delve into your store settings. Look for the Settings tab, which should be somewhere on the interface. Depending on your device, sometimes it's in the sidebar or sometimes at the top of the dashboard. Once you've selected Settings, take a moment to navigate through the options that are available to you. Within the settings, look for an option that says Order Import or Order Fulfillment Settings. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on updates or specific stores, but you're looking for that section where fulfillment settings are managed. When you find it, click on that option. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option that allows you to automatically import and fulfill orders. This is what we want. By enabling this feature, any eligible orders placed in your connected store will be automatically sent to Printful for fulfillment. This means you won't have to manually process orders anymore, saving you a ton of time and effort in the long run. Once you locate this automatic fulfillment option, make sure that it is selected or toggled on. After you've made that selection, the next step is to save your settings. Look for a Save button typically found at the bottom of the page. Click this button to ensure that all your changes are applied. And that's it! You've successfully set up automatic fulfillment in Printful. From now on, eligible orders from your connected store can be automatically imported into Printful for fulfillment. This process streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business, such as marketing or creating new products. To recap, we went through the steps starting from signing into Printful, selecting your store, ensuring your products are synced, navigating to the settings, and enabling the automatic order, import, and fulfillment option. Each of these steps is essential to establishing a smooth and hassle-free fulfillment process. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to refer to Printful's Help Center or contact their customer support. They are always there to assist you with any questions or concerns you might have along the way. Thanks for watching this tutorial on setting up automatic fulfillment in Printful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and helps us create more content like this for you. Happy selling! And best of luck with your store.